Good morning. Oh my God, this week we had so much great tough stuff that went on between basic crypto and advanced crypto. So on advanced crypto, we have Derek Frey came in and he talked to us and told us like what's going on in the Cryptoland, and his perspectives really pound it home because he's been with stocks forever. Okay, so I really think that if you can jump on that advanced webinar and kind of fast forward and see what's going on with that, great potential future in crypto. I'm kind of in for the long run now. I'm not really wave jumping, so very exciting. I do have list of some of the highly recommended altcoins, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know and jump on the webinar if you guys aren't on it yet. All right, I will talk to you soon. I'm so excited that you're part of the team, and please try to get your mics working so you can get unleashed and we can hear you talk and tell us your